We're going to show you how to make a super quick banana cream pie using 3 ingredients that you mix together and put in a graham cracker crust.
This is super easy.
Super easy.
So here's all you need. 3 ripe bananas, 1 teaspoon of vanilla,
and 2 cups of sweetened whipped cream. We made this batch ourselves, and stay tuned at the end of the video. We'll show you a video on how you can make this at home by yourself with a blender.
So if you're a little lazy, it's really easy.
Or if you're time efficient.
Okay, yeah, that's the way to say it. Okay, so let's start making our banana cream pie.
So first we're going to smash up these bananas. Now I'm going to use a pastry cutter for this, but you can use anything with a nice heavy flat surface. There you have it, mashed bananas. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll just mix that in with the pastry cutter. Now, we're going to use half of the whipping cream. The other half will be put on top of the pie. So just eyeball it. You don't have to be exact with this. Now, the trick here is to fold the whipped cream in. You want this nice and fluffy. So you don't want to mix it aggressively. We're just folding on top, and you can see how it's going to start having a little volume. Now you see I'm turning the bowl so I can just get it from every angle. I pull it from the bottom, put it on top, fold it over, fold it over. All right, so you see it's nice and fluffy, fully mixed in. Now we're gonna put this into the graham cracker crust. Okay, so we're just gonna put the mixture gently into the crust. It's pretty. I like using this because you can get all the edges. You want to put this into the fridge and let it cool for about an hour or so.
Our banana cream pie is now set.
Here's a little tip for you. If you want a little texture, slice up an additional banana and place it on top of the pie before you put on the whipped cream.
Okay, so I'm going to add some sliced bananas. I'm going to start kind of with the outer frame. I just think it kind of actually looks nice too when you slice it up. You can see this extra layer. Pretty, right? Okay, so I've added the bananas on top. Now it's time to finish it off with the fresh whipped cream. And then just lightly smooth it out from the center, out to the outer edges. You want to try to avoid taking any of the mix into the whipped cream on top. Ooh, pretty. And finishing touch, take a few more of those banana slices and just add them on top. And done. This banana cream pie looks delicious.
You know, I don't throw out hashtags very often, but this is hashtag blue ribbon.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna make a ribbon pin for you.
Oh,
yeah, because it does. It looks amazing.
And hey, if you like this video, please like this video, comment below, and share.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our super easy YouTube channel.
And this recipe used a graham cracker pie crust. If you'd like to learn how to make that yourself the super easy way, click on the video link ASAP, right now.
Yeah, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
What was that again? Here, you can do the tip.
Okay.
Okay.
Just the tip.